Йоу-йоу, раз, два, три. Всем здорово, всем привет. С вами Стив, и вы на канале Кьюби Плей. Джулур Листен, здорово. Наконец-то, наконец-то мы начинаем игру. Уж более чуть ли не мерзкой игры. Начинаем с игры Плагуя Тел, короче. И мы погнали, да? Нажимаем. Вообще ни разу не играл. Даже прохождение ничего не видел. Может, кто знает, помогите. Помогите ей. Амбиос, это хоррор? Бля, не думаю. А так, игра интересная. Это что такое? А, я думал, загрузка. Вот. Пускай вот так стоит. Пустая ячейка. Ага. Подтвердить. Новая игра. Ощущаем новую игру вместе с вами. Подтвердить. Как я знаю, эта игра, походу, Тохтилерды. Смысл игры Дилерды. Смысл игры, короче, про чуму, в годах чума, эпидемия, про эпидемию и про брата и сестер, как они тут выживали, что там. Дальше узнаем. Нихуя себе. Осень. Королевская Франция. Ноябрь 1348.
Is that your only ambition for me? To follow? I will beat them and I will watch them eat my dust as I forge ahead. But for that, I shall need a good horse.
You've been going on about this walk for ages. Why here?
The tree.
Which tree?
Ага.
The apple tree, father. I want to take the knight's challenge once more.
The knight's challenge. But you're not 10 years old anymore, you know.
Oh, please, father. I've trained hard for this.
All right, let's go.
Look at Leon. The Guian beast is
Субтитры
in a hurry to
голбары.
fight it out.
Где там? Параметры. Игра. Дополнительные параметры интерфейса, да. Обучение, да. Тут все на да стоит. А где субтитры? А где титры суп? Угу. Дополнительные параметры высоко, ультра, высоко. Че, где она, где? Может, управление камеры. Игра, звук. А, вот язык. Язык озвучения английский. А? Француз. Давай немецкий сделаем. Давай английские субтитры, да? Язык субтитров русский. Показывать имена персонажей. Да. А, не. У меня фотогеничная память. Вот. Ха-ха, связал.
Well, there's something you both have in common.
That's harsh.
Go on, boy. You'll find the prey. I believe
Ой,
in you.
бой, где-то,
Get your hopes up. Let's keep going.
Ух, все говорю.
Look, your mother's ribbon is still here. This is where I courted her, you know.
Yes, father, I know. If only she could come with us.
We all have obligations, Amisa. You know your family. Hey, I'm trying to tell her something.
Such authority, Knight de Rune.
Go! And bring something back for once. Right. As I was saying, we all have obligations. I have to manage these lands. Your mother has to take care of your brother, and you.
And I hardly ever see you. I see mother even less.
Listen.
А, туз подарок видите.
We're here for you now.
Так что
So, follow me, daughter.
за мной. Дота. Дота 1, дочь, что ли?
I hope you have your sling.
Дота 2, дочь 2. Сплинт. Нет, да. О, нихуя.
You dare to enter the trials gate.
Amicia de Rune fears nothing.
This apple tree was planted when you were born. It will prove your worth.
О, Адам и Ева яблони.
What are the terms of the test?
The sacred apples of the sacred apple tree have been corrupted by a great evil. If you destroy 6 of these rotten apples by the time I count to 10, I will make you a knight.
I accept your challenge.
I can see some stones near the trunk over
Окей,
there.
челлендж
Get them and
надо.
tell me when you're ready.
Ready? I'll show you I'm not a child anymore.
All right, come back. Stand behind this trunk. You'll shoot from here.
It shall be done.
So here we go.
Ладно.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Amicia. 6, 7, 8,
And this is how Amicia becomes a true knight.
О, а ему жесткая под.
9,
Инжин.
and
There.
well,
Хотя отца говняком не сделали. А то на гады. Вот так.
It was a present from you.
Oh yes, I'd quite forgotten. Goodness, what's up with
Мне
him?
не катамара по-моему пиздец.
He must have smelled the rabbit.
А так
Come
не.
on, quickly.
А, пару тренировок я бы смог.
Leo, wait for me.
Подожди меня. Ой.
Leo, a hunting dog is not supposed to lose its hunter.
Ой, блядь.
Leo,
Леон,
where did he go?
куда ты делся?
Ah, there you are.
А, вот ты где.
What did you smell?
Что ты унюхал?
Oh gosh.
О,
A wild
бля.
boar. What a good dog.
Ща я его.
Did he find something?
Shh. Come and see. A wild boar.
Some game. This will do nicely for a little feast.
I could use my sling.
Well, that might work, but you'll need to get closer. This grass will keep you hidden if you stay low.
Подойти. Тура.
It's drinking. Time to make my move.
Вон там раунда. Фач.
Nice shot.
Найс шот.
Does hunger
Белку
always
в глаз
fit
тем
this
надо.
accurate? But the feast isn't on your plate quite.
Иван Куличин қан стрим онюгун пубг. А, пубг. А, білбәдім? Не знаю. Что-то один не хочу.
Tonight we shall dine like kings.
Один что-то тоскливо.
Don't give up, Leo.
А, праки болалар не тағдыры.
I'm coming, Leo. Keep him there and you'll get a piece for
Кана.
yourself.
Сахабы ғылағы текіз. Әс явным болады.
It's bleeding.
Омук әрі просто хақалы етел ақыз. Чокай байды комментарда мақтал.
He
Стараюсь.
stopped barking. He must have found it.
Замолчал. Что за факин? Не болах.
These bridges were almost new. Someone's not going to be happy.
Кара, сылаңнаныз. Ай!
The trees. What did that? Leo, come here.
Леон, ко мне. Чё?
It's the boar.
Минутымда.
But how? Leon couldn't have done that.
А, нет. Кабаны.
Come here. Leo! Leo!
Ка?
I'm here. I'm coming.
Наследие Дерунов.
My dog.
Леон, кто это
Who did
сделал?
this?
Леон, нет.
What devil
Нет,
is
Леон.
this? We must go immediately.
Это дьявол. Крыса, ладно, тебя по-любому. Пиздец, такой крыс. A plague we tell. Inconsent. Плагуе инконют, блин. Окси, это памятник турат.
I shall organize a hunt. Go and find your mother.
Я
Tell her I
мне
must
нужно с
speak
ней
with her.
поговорить.
She's probably...
Looking after Hugo. Yes, of course.
Ого, психика раджанна валах.
Амиция,
Абай, где крыса была? Где? Он был хорошей собакой. И ты будь хорошей собакой, деда валах.
I haven't been able to make them yet. Did you hear about the English troops arriving?
О, бля, тәпті я назму. Кайфуйды, харам күнің. Yeah. Канцелярия. О,
Oh,
кто?
Lady Amicia, you're
О,
back.
госпожа
Theo,
Миссия.
there's an emergency. Get the others and go and see my father as soon as you can, alright?
All right. By the way, I've set up some targets for your sling behind the stables.
Oh, thank you.
О, спасибо. Хаднавали мишень. Тарманы биатура бакбала. Тук-тук-тук-тук-тук-тук. Секретный
Thank you.
подарок.
I've been looking everywhere for you.
Ай, не пита. Нажмите I, чтобы узнать больше. Вот тут был. Глиняный свиток, который подарил Амиции на ее первый год отец. Для наших предков свитки были игрушками и незаменимыми помощниками. С помощью свитков отряды могли координировать действия на охоте и на войне. Понял. Подарок моего отца. Сразу атагынан тутан сохан тахаретов. Баттада. Крысалар жабараларын кетахма туралар буллар. Сбитый сюжет. Тух, кто ты? Киноштамп. Образие.
Good day, Lady Amicia. Those new rivets will have to wait.
By
By the way, any news about the town?
Так, вам надо
Everyone is on edge.
передвинуть
Some
этот
bitten during the
станок
night.
рубанок
Not like the
вон
English
сюда,
to me.
а это вот
Well,
сюда.
why would the English
Дверь.
go and bite
Да, тура план
the
такой
door?
дуралар
Keep us off balance.
как бы их разместить? Табаны.
Oh,
Абы,
the Amazing
ты нахуй садыр
walk?
гидер.
Later, Flo. Tell the others that the forest is out of bounds.
Бы
until
ты раз
further
ты была.
notice.
Абыш.
Yes, I don't.
Хуя уже. Лопата. Трава. Прораб. Так, трудно так мне. Задание. Камень. Попадите в голову, оглушает противник. Я попадаю в голову. Тура ремесло. Так тура барахель барта. Тут что-то было. Подозрительный вариант. Тугнали. Пустой лопата на кимерга, я рагну. Нихуя себе. Да вон, оу, дрова. Здорово. Манутталары надо. Тахна так букун деди бардын. Арглам жарыр, халыбрам пиким болах. Индир.
The pots Theo told me about. I still have my sling.
Şu. Горшки. Bunu hatırlıyorum. Ребята, один гриб. Есть. А где этот камень? Эти разброги чербелеметры ровно расставить. Хуя. Жестко братырует. Кабаны бедерастят. Что за мозги? Я бы убил этого. Я тоже. Ты тюрьма на кабине, бля. И? А что тут раджа падом, да? Джир. Тора барба. И что мне потом делать? Как мне жить без Леона? Чужан инне дебет баттı. Знаю. Не знаю, что он говорит. Смайлики прыгают у тебя на экране, да? Ой, бля. Каярасы? Кыдык, что ли? Еще раз. И что раз? Вот где-то. Хуя себе. Еще раз. Бля, ты говори, когда надо. Когда? Что я должен сделать? Курсом. Да, что он будет править.
Keep us from evil. May you forever grant us health and keep plague from our
Take care of you, please.
Вот сейчас моя лига звукана ведь не надо.
Deserves his place at your side, even if he was a bit naughty sometimes. Goodbye, my darling dog.
Карнады. Где быгыр кахтат? Бэм таргын дир.
I hope Mother's not too busy.
This sunshine won't last long.
The rain has already ruined the harvest. People are dying of hunger. We're lucky to be in this house.
Oo.
Mark my words. You're right about that.
Anladık.
Ah, Gabrielle. Is mother upstairs?
Yes, she spent the night there. The little one had another one of his attacks.
She won't be in a good mood.
Не пизди, дент выдан. Секрет-то. В смысле? Ты тух болуктак. Тура барды. Алер скене болуктак. Тура баттабытын болаганда. Сам не помню.
Did you hear what happened at the village? People being bitten. Kids too, can you imagine?
Each time it happens at night?
Famine, war on our doorstep.
Ой, bunu bir yerde kalmış. Ne kadar para mı? Oh, tuğru buharı oralar butta.
The smell of your cooking warms the heart.
Oh, it's nothing much, but I think you'll like it.
I'm sure I will.
Tuğru buharı duvar. Açık dargınım. Яблоки. Ego. Kadar yedin? Kadar yedin?
Cinnamon. I'd almost forgotten what it smells like. They were right to
Специи.
hide it. Father would put it in every dish.
Это что-то специал где-то, что ли? Не пизди, девятьми. Oğlum bütün добун. Оружие хэп. Оружие хэппен.
Oh, Lady Amиция, hello. I didn't see you
Я
there.
вас не заметил, да?
Hello, milady.
Hello.
Стареешь, матушка, стареешь. Он тупой. Тамплиерский меч. Так. Его филен лайбат таби, да? Эманы бия, эманы питать.
Yes, Lady Beatrice, leave it to me.
Louise, have you been to see mother?
Indeed. Do you want to see her?
It's important. Father's orders.
Oh, in that case, I have to finish your room. By the way, I've left a little something for...
Yara. Ağlara yürü. Dur. Oh. Ка, стрим доғырды.
Mother?
Чужы. Пизня.
You know you're not supposed to be here.
I know, but something attacked Leon in the forest.
My dear, I really wish I
Милая
had the
моя,
time
я
to
бы
listen
хотела
to your
посмотреть, но у
adventures
меня
first.
совсем нет времени. Ой, тут она выиграла.
But it's true. Leon was lying there on the ground, and then he was...
Shh. You are to stay here with your brother.
What? What?
Так.
Close the door behind me and do not open the shutters.
Запри
Whatever
не
happens.
открывайся там.
Hugo,
Что произошло?
He is not contagious.
Он не
I realize
заразен.
you hardly know him, but he will be all right. Trust me, Amиция.
Yes, mother.
Тух болурида. Крика тура барабыла барнадыла.
All these potions. Mother, will
Через
you
день
ever be able to cure him?
Мама, это ты?
How long has he been here? 4 years? 5? Where is he? Hugo?
Ну ладно.
it's me. Your sister, Amиция.
Hello.
We haven't seen each other much. Mummy will be back soon.
Move! Come on!
Huh?
Did he talk? No, Lord Nicholas. He killed 2 of our men.
Where is he? I won't ask again. Where is your son?
In good hands.
Нажимаю письмо, то письмо. О, раз, да.
Touch the house.
Is that mommy?
Hugo, come here.
What's happening?
I know you're here, kid. I don't have time to play games. Where have they hidden him?
Let's go now.
Where's mommy?
Shh.
Where the f is he?
Stay down.
Hugo, it's me, Gabrielle. Come here quickly.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's go.
The kid, huh?
Leave him alone.
Shut your mouth. He belongs to the Inquisition.
But he's just a child. You've lost your mind.
Тут же вроде.
Gabrielle.
Amиция?
Shh. The child. Was it really that hard?
Oh no.
Ой, ой.
I don't know anything. There you go.
О, бля.
That'll teach you.
Всех начинают мочить.
I'm begging
Здесь.
you. Hugo's not here.
And you, stay.
Come on.
It's very clear. Tell me, where is Hugo the Rune?
Бля, хана равный. Ой, как.
Amиция, what's going on?
Mother. I have to find Mother. She'll know. Oh my god. Louise.
Think it's funny making me run like that?
Amиция, please.
We need to move. Don't look.
We serve a higher power. You're not hiding anything.
Nothing here. Lady Durrell must have kept our research here.
Ебать.
Amиция.
We have to keep going.
Your mistress's notes. Speak up. Don't make me hurt you again.
I have no idea. I only do the laundry. Listen, this is your last chance. Tell us what you know about your mistress's research.
Even if I knew, I wouldn't say anything. Lady Beatrice is a good soul.
Right. There are still rooms to be searched. Finish it.
Печата, да. Благует Элденяню. Типа чума, эпидемия тугна.
Well. Where do you think you're going?
Ну, нахуй.
My children.
Сколько стоит в стиме? Албытым жестко ратта, так? Он нем дежурным жестко ратта. Айда вапина, скидка албытым. Я брал эту скидку. Точно не помню.
We will be all right. Do you hear me? Come on.
300 с чем-то стоило, походу, на скидке. На скидку.
Hugo, take your sister's hand. I'll go first, and you just have to follow me, all right?
Окей, окей.
We have to cross the gardens. Amicia, hold your brother's hand and follow me in silence.
Плагуе телден. Плагуе инктив кудук. Камбан плагуе талиден.
Through the grass, they won't be able to see us. Wait.
Mommy.
Shh.
Браво, Старс кудук отнахджан.
I've got another one.
Who is it?
The gardener knows the family well. Says he watched the kids grow up.
От кудургаман хем.
The little one loves flowers. I used to take him some.
Flowers. You can do better than that. Take him.
It worked.
Everything you need.
I've worked here all my life. They're like family to me. You'll get nothing out of me.
Окей.
Go to hell.
Oh yeah. You first. Listen. Have a little think, and I'll come back later. And you, don't die without talking to me first.
Bastards. Cowards.
Oh,
We have to get through.
you're
Amicia,
breaking my
help him. I'll carry you. All right. Be careful getting down.
Yes.
Could have avoided all this. But Robert the Rune
Just a
doesn't
boy
like
and
the
a bunch of
Inquisition.
peasants. How long can it take?
Look out.
They'll see us.
We have to get further away. If I can hit the helmets in the crates over there, your sling will give us away. I can throw it instead. No, Amicia, your sling will give us away. You're right.
Forget it.
What was that noise?
Right, let's go.
Угу.
Ow, my head.
Breathe, Hugo, like I showed you. What's wrong with him? His illness has awoken. We need to go faster.
Calm down. So,
Конечно.
the boy?
He's hiding, but Lord Nicholas is tracking him down.
He's the Grand Inquisitor's right hand. The guard has never had a better captain.
Good. At least he got the father.
And soon he'll get the son.
Mother, why? What do they want from him? I'll explain later. We have to get out of here first. Let's go.
I'm going to see.
Come back alive. We need you here.
Брат дот.
Nothing here.
Then I
Can't go.
Mother. Maybe by throwing one of these pots. Really? The noise will attract him. We'll slip past behind his back. All right.
Listen, I know what you poor people are like. Always got a sneaky coin hidden somewhere.
Зажмите кнопку, чтобы преследовать, и нажмите, чтобы распознать. Враги, выделенные белым, услышат звук удара.
I should have been an executioner. Always plenty of... That noise. Better go see what it was.
Выкини удар добитого доктора.
Oh, no.
Stay calm. Hold my hand tight.
Все, мы выходим.
It's locked from the other side. Mother, the hole in the wall. Yes, Hugo, I'm sorry. I know you're scared, but if you get through there, you can open the door for us. You're the only one who can do it.
What's behind there?
Just concentrate on the door. You're a brave boy. You prove it to me every day. Amicia is going to let go of your hand. Then you can quickly go through, all right?
All right.
Be strong. Well done.
There are people.
Hold my hand. Come on.
Mercy!
Wait.
Screaming for mercy won't make you run faster, my lad.
Wait.
Come on. Follow me.
Какая вон?
Coming.
Amicia, you have to help him next time.
Sorry,
Ow, my head.
What is wrong with him?
An attack. Listen to my voice, Hugo. You know how this goes.
My eyes. My head.
Listen to me. Breathe. Think of the cloud that you breathe in and blow out. In, out.
Правильно?
Like that slowly.
Mother, we can't stay.
Give him a little time. You're right, Hugo.
I think so.
So, let's continue. Courage, my darling.
Кто?
It's okay, Hugo.
Yes.
Какая?
There you go.
Thank you.
We can go now.
It's too risky with Hugo. He's slower than us.
There are pots over there. I could cross, make a diversion.
Alone.
Yes, you'd have more time.
Oh, bir dakika kamilla. Kellagını. Kellagını bırakalım. Ah, тупик.
What was that? Over there.
Hey, you there! Don't move!
Lan. Seyahat
Go
dersim.
now.
It's too risky with Hugo. He's slower than us.
There are pots over there. I could cross, make a diversion.
Alone.
Yes, you'd have more time. I can let you know when it's all right.
Be very careful.
Aim well. Mother and Hugo need time to get through.
What's all the
I
noise?
need to call them now. Psst, come here.
We're coming.
Быстрей, быстрей, быстрей.
Come on, come quickly.
Well done.
Nothing.
This way.
The garden gate. We should be able to get out of here.
There's one guard left.
The scarecrow. I used to practice firing at it.
He will come this way.
Yes, but we can wait until he goes away again.
All right. Leave this to me.
Kıyımlıydı. Beni bırakalım da.
What the hell was that?
Hı hı.
Again? That's not right. I'll go and see.
Только надо так. Ой, тупик какой-то.
Go away. Get out of here.
Well, look what we have here.
Ля. Так.
The garden gate.
Куда
We should be able to
надо
get out of
пройти?
here.
There's one guard left.
The scarecrow. I used to practice firing at it.
He will come this way.
Yes, but we can wait until he goes away again.
All right. Leave this to me.
Бля, тут сpäter Nachbarn gehört haben, pardon. А, я понял.
I heard something. I'm not crazy.
Блядь, издеваешься, что ли? Идут. О. Фу.
You're alive. This way. This way. Follow me.
Follow me. Окей, let's go. Пошли, давай.
My darling. Go and hide quickly now.
Надо беременна девушка, надо. Так, не люблю.
You have to take your brother to Laurentius.
The doctor?
Yes. He helped me treat Hugo. He will look after you.
And what about you?
You
You
do
have
not
to come.
need me, Amicia. You are.
But I do need you. I need you.
Турки-то иду.
Hurry now. Follow me. It will
Так,
lead you to Laurentius.
по ходу событий вернуть. Мама, no! Алло. Куда я стал?
Hugo, follow me. Now.
Kill their sister! Take the boy alive!
What's happening? Where's Mommy?
She'll catch up with us. Run
Ooh.
as fast as you can.
Run, motherfucker, run!
Amicia, the ground is shaking.
Don't stop. They're right behind us. Straight on. Harry, straight on.
Справа чел.
Where are we going? Mommy won't be able to find us.
Keep running.
Amicia, you have to go back and look for Mommy.
We can't let them catch us.
Да что такое? Аба, туйте. Бля. Крысана такалар куй жанрын алды. О, shit.
No, we have to lose them. Oh no, they're everywhere.
What do we do?
Что ты делаешь?
Take a deep breath.
Вдохни глубоко. Прыгай. Оу. Вторая глава. Незнакомцы. Мне что-то нажать, что ли, или загрузка идет? Да, это загрузка идет.
The village must be further on. Someone there should be able to help us find the rentiers. Hugo. Hugo?
Гуго? Имеет приступ татула.
Mommy won't be happy when she
Когда
finds out
мамочка
that I
знает,
need
что
the
я
water.
попробую, ей нравится.
Well, let's not mention it when we see her, alright?
Угу.
Come on. First we have to get dry.
Amicia, why did they want to capture us?
I don't know. I don't want to think about it right now.
We'll ask the rentiers to take us to see Mommy and Daddy.
Yes, of course. Where is everyone?
Олар батақара патроны. Осталось ребуть уже. Конь.
They're really big.
They won't hurt you.
What are those noises? Are they sick?
They're just clearing their noses. Come on, we have to go.
Oh, apples.
Hugo, not now.
But
Don't touch them. They're all rotten.
I'm hungry.
How can you think of food right
Сирга народ. Чиктап бала. Хорошо.
Smoke. There must be a lot of people.
Мандан ажана бүтэн тутугунда. Бидики yok.
Excuse me, please wait. Madam? What's the matter with them?
They look scared.
Excuse me, I'm the daughter of Lord Robert de Rune. We were attacked, we need help.
Please, it's very cold.
Anybody there?
Come
I'm
on,
with my
there.
little brother.
Hey.
The de Rune estate was attacked. I'm begging you, please help us.
We're wet and hungry.
What on earth is going on? Is anyone there? We need help. No one is going to let us in. What's the matter with them? Please, somebody help us.
Go away. You're not wanted here.
But I'm your lord's daughter.
Go away, уходите отсюда где-то, да. Это плохая
Don't
идея.
believe it.
They're hiding.
We waited too long. I told you we need to leave.
And go where?
Someone's there.
We'll come back later when things are better.
We'll all be dead.
Please help us. I know you're there.
That's enough. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Who is it? Sod off! I don't want people to see you on my doorstep.
Oh, what a horrible man. Come on, Hugo.
Oh, look. Someone's drawn something on the doors.
Come back here. That means there are sick people in these houses. Don't touch anything.
Oh, they're not allowed to go outside.
It's more serious than that. It means that we could catch their illness, so stop running around.
All right. Sorry.
The village is contaminated. That's why everyone's hiding.
I can smell something cooking. Is it fair?
It doesn't sound like a fair. Good lord.
Пахнет едой, Герат. Бля.
You! I'm begging you. Go get help.
Well, I'll be damned. Here's the rest of them.
What? No. Wait, we're just looking for someone.
And you found him. It's your damn music what brought them out, huh? Those dirty vermin that invaded our church. That filth would attack our children in their beds and gave them the black thing. But now you found Conrad Malfour. And I'm telling you, this is the last village you'll infect.
Amicia!
Come on. Run, Hugo.
What's happening, Amicia?
Just run.
Пиздец, люди озверели нахуй.
Are they going to burn us too?
Давай, бегите, бегите.
We have to hide, Amicia!
Here, get inside quickly.
All's quiet.
He's going to see us.
Don't move.
Have to wait until they show them, eh?
Костян. Ну, бля. Хорошо, что он тупой, да? Дрова? Да, я дрова. Давай, блядь.
What was that noise?
Ой, блядь. Всем здорово. Всем привет.
Come on.
Кому?
Shh, shh. That's it. Almost.
Почти, почти.
We showed him.
Угу.
Not that
Вон
way.
они.
Where are we going?
Come on, just run as fast as you can. There, The wall!
Быстрей!
Quick! We should never have come here.
Why are we doing that?
They think we have brought evil with us. We have to find a way out of here.
Oyun taranmış. Yani bir hanyardı.
Good. We can climb onto it now. Ой. Как-то надо туда пробраться, что ли? А, вот. The chain doesn't look very strong.
Ага.
But it will make some noise.
Сейчас я ее сломаю.
Better idea?
Надо. Учись у сестры.
Let's push this.
Yes.
А, мышка направлять деревья, бляха, да, когда иди.
Climb up. I'll help you.
Right.
Я помогу тебе. Давай, давай, давай. Чё?
I'll get you up.
Of course.
Well, we got out.
So we can leave now, right?
If they don't find us again.
But you have your sling. You can protect us.
It's not that easy, Hugo.
Oh.
Outsiders! Oh no, quickly, quickly! The ladder, go and climb, you first!
Супер.
It doesn't look safe, Amicia.
Быстрее,
Running out
быстрее.
of time, they're coming!
It's going to break.
No, no!
I told you.
Hugo, where are you going? Don't leave me!
Amicia, come here. This side.
There you are!
I found this, so you can climb up.
Well done. I'll get it to fall. Watch out!
И? Вон охрана.
Come on.
Тут вот. О, красавчик.
I was scared.
I'm sorry about the ladder.
It's my fault. You were right.
We need to go home.
We can't. Not without Laurentius.
Amicia, hide.
Well, where the hell are they? Conrad lost his mind when his kid died. We have to burn innocent people? Chase kids? Get out of here! Meanwhile, plague spreads through the village. If I catch those brats, I'll send them back to hell! Piece by piece! They won't get out of here alive! Let's go. Eh?
Индир.
What the hell was that noise?
Все рептами GG.
Oh no, not again.
Ой, блядь, кот нахуй, кот.
I don't know. There's no way out.
Oh no! Quickly, please!
I'm trying.
Кирка-то.
It won't hold them for long. Quickly.
They know we're here!
No, it's stuck. Hugo, go through there. Open it for me.
Right,
Быстрее.
blocked it with a plan.
Can you unblock it?
I'm trying.
Hurry. Quickly, Hugo, please.
I can't.
Hugo, he's here. Hugo, do something. Run.
Stop, Amicia.
Oh, please, we've got to carry on. Just a little further.
Где он меня лядывает?
The dead end. We're finished.
This way. Don't be afraid. Come in.
Не бойтесь, заходите в дом.
The part of the village. Where are they?
Listen, we'll tell Conrad we lost them. I'm not staying here.
Rest now. You're safe. They'll never come looking for you here. You're soaking. There are clothes. You can change
вы
into
здесь?
upstairs. In a chest in the bedroom.
Are you sure? Thank you.
Хотя возьмите одежду из сундука. Где сундук?
That's better. What about you?
We have to go and find Mummy, Amicia.
Not yet. She told us to find Laurentius.
That's silly. We're going to get caught.
Hugo, we're going to do what she told us and that's it. Hugo, wait.
Гуго, подожди! Что за неугомонный?
They fit you. Good. They belonged to my grandchildren. Oh, my name is Clairvy.
I'm Amicia. And this is Hugo. Say thank you, Hugo.
Гуго, 9 лет Hugo.
What is happening here?
The plague. So many people dead. And those still alive have... But where are your parents?
They're waiting for us.
We're looking for a doctor. Laurentius.
A doctor, perhaps? A man did come and help at the hospice early on. The monks might be able to tell you more, but...
What?
They haven't been seen recently. No one goes near the church anymore.
It's all we have. We must go and see.
You'll die there. But no one listens to old Clary anymore.
Ага, чё ей?
I see you have a sling. You're going to need it. But it'll be no use to you in that state. Go to the backyard. You'll find some new strips of leather there. And feel free to use the workshop in the next room for your repairs.
That's very kind of you.
Feel free to use the tools by the workshop.
Right, got the tools. I just need the leather.
Возьмите кусок кожи на заднем дворе. Кусок кожи лунда. Специи в те времена были редкие и дорогие. Я охренел, вероятно, бы специи, да? Как взаимопознать? Диковинки. Я могу тебе дать специи. Я спец под специям. Канари текан козы.
Incense. The same as Mother used to use.
Ханрадига var. На другом месте, значит. Так. Грейся, грейся. А, мне надо выйти, что ли?
Leather.
А, вот он.
Right, let's get to work. Come on, keep calm and concentrate.
Так. Зажмите.
That's much better. With the right materials, I could improve it even more. Right.
Недостаточно материала. Еще есть кожа? Могу ли я взять еще кожу? А уже айба там на руку. И чебать. Понял. Ну, пошли к матушке. Бабушке. Эй, ничего не трогай. Угу. Вроде бы все посмотрел.
So?
It's a lot better. Thank you, Clervy. Thanks for everything.
So that's where you lost them. Yeah, they won't survive long around here if you ask me.
What on earth are you doing? Put that mallet down. Are you stupid or what?
I am not stupid.
Don't shout.
Children, that's enough noise.
I want to see Mummy.
Shut up. You're going to get us killed.
Mummy will protect us.
That's enough.
I want to see
Mummy is dead, Hugo. You'll never see her again. Or Daddy.
Amicia.
You're lying.
They were killed at the house. Both of them. So shut up.
Lying. I hate you.
Please stop.
Hugo, no! Hugo, wait. Don't go out. You're mad.
Oh, you're pashmat.
Hugo, come back. What's he doing? Oh no, he's going to get us killed. Hugo, please. I'm sorry. Wait. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Hugo! I shouldn't have shouted. Please listen to me.
Тут говорит, ой, канал.
Sorry.
О, боже.
No, monsters. Leave him alone.
So that's where you were.
No, wait. We just want to leave.
You will leave.
I didn't want to.
Amicia!
Hugo, I'm coming.
Сайсмит.
Please say he's alive. Please say he's alive. Hugo!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Stop squirming.
Amicia!
We're just waiting.
Amicia!
You're not gonna put me in the I'm gonna stop you. Why'd you have to come here?
Please.
Why?
Don't make me.
Idiot. This armor has stopped axes and swords.
There has to be a way to get that armor off.
Ага.
A bit rusty. There's no escape. sooner or later. Come on, Conrad. Show 'em what you do best. Slippery one.
А, бля.
One hit's all it takes. Just
Ай, все раз.
a bit rusty.
О, сварить.
I know what you're like.
Ага.
Fine. I can use that to my advantage. I'm going to show you what it's like to lose someone you love. Enough. Let's get this. One of us is going to die. And the winner.
На нах. Жестко киолду аттылы.
Амиция. You killed him.
Come on.
Получено достижение незнакомца. Воздаяние. Вот это.
Look, Amиция.
На счету уже 2 убийства, да? Здесь. И я в церкви. Момент камбарут.
Whoa. Why are there candles?
The candles are to show that you're thinking of someone.
Oh, can I light one?
If you want to. Don't burn yourself.
Thank you.
Қандай не алады? Ол турадыр. Лут. Қая?
For Mummy and Daddy.
Watch over them.
Қандай? Вот это yok da.
It's funny. The sound here.
There's an echo.
Hello!
Hugo, there might be people here.
Oh.
Сера. Спирт. Ого.
Forgive me for the evil I have just committed. I never...
Amиция, you're really squeezing me.
Sorry.
Тут где-то надо тут я вот это. Посмотрим, что тут еще.
Oh, a necklace.
It's a rosary.
What's it for?
Praying.
Can I use it to talk to Mommy and Daddy?
We'll do it together.
Hey, look! There's a broken window and a ladder.
Could be our way out.
Там бартын кудует жидик. Да. Тоқтауға қойдым.
Climb up.
I hope it doesn't break like the other one.
It won't, Hugo. Trust me.
Давай.
Amиcia, there's someone there.
Children, what are you doing here?
Father, we need help.
Leave! It's dangerous. You have no business being here.
Wait, please. It's important. We should go and talk to him.
Is he the one who knows where Laurentius is?
It has to be him. It has to.
Oh, they've broken everything.
What's going on here?
Perhaps they're building bigger beds?
I don't think that's it.
Лутанах. О! Ткань. Ткань. Надо пригодится. Ага. Еще серых. Огненный тур уже выпал. И... Эй, ты куда?
Medicinal herbs.
Лечебные травы должны понах положить.
Mother used to do the same.
Пошли. Это ванна, джакузи. Среда, здорово. Кто не знает, плагуя тел для нее. Эпидемия у нас. Чума.
Flowers. They're so pretty.
Свеки.
They're carnations. We had some in my
Это
herbarium.
гвоздики.
But those ones are prettier.
Hugo, we have to keep moving.
Wait. Come here.
What?
It will protect you. And is pretty too.
Oh. All right.
Now we can go.
Thank you, Hugo.
You're welcome.
Зомбилер тоқтар. Крысалар мадыр. Жестко бях. Чума, гыры, жоннор башы бірақтар алыптыр. Жоннор барларын директорын барлар.
Father.
Короче, суету навести охватали.
You have no idea. Leave while you still can.
Please. Someone has to help us. Do it for him at least.
The Robert de Rune, coat of arms.
We are his children. We are looking for Laurentius, the doctor. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him. And I know he used to look after your family. He spoke of you. I am Father Thomas. Your presence here is not a good sign.
The Inquisition. They came and they...
Ол крысалар эти управляют директоры.
I can imagine.
Крысалар эти управляют директоры.
But what is happening
Да,
here
билбеппи.
is far worse.
Башы сюжет катын ин турну көрбөтөн бэм
Or you
хангатан.
will die.
Чисто
Father, the
мои
villagers wanted to kill us.
первые эмоции бонюга.
The mad. Oh, Laurentius.
Индики ратты трейлерин көрбөдүм
No,
мындай.
I cannot leave the church, but an exit through the crypt of the Three Saints. It may not be too late. I shall try to put you on the path to Laurentius's farm, but after that, may God watch over you. All seems calm for the moment. Come.
Days Gone деген юна хара. Били хоррор да. Зомбилак де. Хап. Атлах берар. Эми ден алах.
Father, why are there crosses on the village doors? Is it really the plague?
It started with bites during the night. Then the sickness spread. First in families, then to everyone.
Хуй билер.
Fever, boils.
Так. Көрөм. Days Gone. Бля, экиден тогуз миңа 99, 3 жылак бизде жеген. Жибиди. Каным качалына
People
кылдырны.
started dying. And when we finally found out where it came from, boy, it was already too late.
And where did it come from?
But we're nearly there. Brother Morel should be here. We are the last two remaining. Brother Morel. Stay here.
Стой здесь.
brother Morel.
Однако я нагоню в лактику, буду сигнал, да. Ага, спокойно, это сигнал. Булахтах. Да изгон. Корпорация системные требования. Рекомендуемые. Он 6 гигабайт. 6 гигабайт. 6 гигабайт көрдүр бар. Ровно, это сигнал, ага. Минимальная дана. Он жесткой был добавить. Чопка не это так. Но сюжетный, да, сюжетный еще был. Сюжетка. К остальным башал халая мы мананилором. Чисто чилик надо на чай бар. В чем дело? Отец. Крысалар келер было. Ебать. Свет. Ебать. Но и на нас они улары прохождение вара. Вот так. Сибу, бля, говори, что скейтер. Сибастас нахуй. Хана вратахуны. Себастьян. Сожгу нахуй.
It's a nightmare.
We have to get back outside, Amicia.
I know. Keep moving.
А вот begin the
other brother. We're going to have to climb up. I'll have to put the torch down.
Бля.
No, please.
Calm down. There's a torch holder. We'll still have light.
But then what?
We'll find something.
Хай open button это.
I don't understand why there is fire. We need some fire. The wood will burn quickly. We have to hurry.
Go away! You, go away!
Calm down, Hugo. The light will protect us, all right?
Да, палка мы моем деле.
So that's their plague. Rats. The priest spoke of a way out through the crypt.
Amicia, the 3 statues.
The crypt of the 3 saints. It's the exit the father spoke of. Oh, we have to find another way.
Палка туй.
I'll give you a hand.
Yes.
Давай, давай, давай. И как нам?
Up there, Amicia.
I should be able to knock it down.
А,
They've eaten them all.
Try not to look. We can't do anything for them now.
It's horrible.
I know. Come on. You go first.
All right.
да, здесь дохуя дарим. Сука. Ага. Кожа. Ну вот там от тебя книга. Так.
Right, we'll pass at the same time.
О,
I'll go first.
Yes.
come on. Easy.
I'm making too much noise. Too much noise.
Hugo, calm down.
Тоқтор. Стоп. Мына ғана ингредиенты. Быстрей.
This should make things a little easier.
Так.
No rats.
О,
No!
Into the light, quickly!
I don't see any torches. How can we? What are we going to do?
так, что тут есть?
That seems to keep them busy.
Are you sure?
Another ham should be enough. Come on.
Идут.
Down there! The three saints!
All right. Let's be careful. We'll be safe if we go that way.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
We won't fall. Hold my hand tight.
Так, что-то надо по-любому стрелять. И что теперь? Туда что ли спрыгнуть? Не думаю.
That torch.
There's a hole in the grating.
I'll lift this up. Can you get the torch?
О, блядь. Да, залезай.
It's heavy. Hugo, hurry up. Come on. No!
Are you alright?
Yes. Stay where you are. The ground is rotten.
Amicia, how am I going to get back?
We'll find a way. Don't worry. As long as you have the torch, you'll be safe.
But what about you?
We'll move together. That way, the light coming through the grating will protect me too. Ready?
Ready?
Here we go then. Slowly. Very good.
Look, there's a hole. Do you want the torch?
Yes, there are too many rats on my side.
But where can I get through?
The hole behind you. That's the only way I can see. Go through there and I'll meet you on the other side.
Are you sure?
Just stop if you see rats. I'll be with you very quickly.
Alright, but please hurry.
Давай. Враги туга биттери только крысы, да? Вот жонор балдар.
Quick now.
Мятежники.
Hugo! What's going on? Hugo! Talk to me! Come on! Come on!
Давай, палку. Зажги. Ты где? А, красавчик наверху.
Hugo, are you alright?
There were rats. I ran to the light.
Did they bite you?
No, I found a ladder, but there are rats down there.
I'll open a way through for you. We're going to get you down from there. Calm down. These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
Куда мне идти? Я буду слепую иду. А. А! Блядь! Здорово. Леня, здорово. Арба палкам тугим атгумаем битерди вот. Пиздики махан гастача хараз, давай.
These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
Ayakta yapmayın bile. Evet, nikel bana yapın. Aslında nikel ayakta yapın bana. Siz ciddi şeyler et. Он энергия клевенький, блин. Что я раньше это не заметил. Эй, киш отсюда. Убрал, бэмет не так делал. Пошел на мотынка, видимо, такая. Палкам брах, я хотел брахать.
Hugo, I have to get him down here.
Еба. Шиш, бля. Я исп... Шиш. Бля, здесь... Бырақтың да мұздалыр бәтті. Қара, теп кетті. Білбәк, мұздалыр де. Бұл әп кетті ең бірі мұны қара тәттірге бітім бәтті.
Hugo, I have to get him down here.
Бүгінен қайу не? Круто, у меня отрабатывает нормально. Королевство когда?
These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
Подигнарым было, да. Оны кумақтап болды. Тор бастан... балырыдыр бұлан. Тут пигнал ровно. Оны матыхпын надо. Во. Блять.
These twigs burn too quickly. I won't be able to keep them back long enough.
Wait, I have something for you.
Хорош.
Thank you.
Молодец.
Ready. You can come down now. Sorry. I shouldn't have left you alone. It's too risky.
That's all right.
Ай. Ой, ой, ой. Зера. Селитра нуловых. Брат подарок это какая-то. Я хотел на травну тюрди. Сюжет потом.
Put that away.
Когда я Карл Хайде. Так, там надо инструменты варву. Крысалар bir petler de sıra bağladı.
Go on, climb up.
Bittiler mi? Эй, блядь.
Oh, what's that on the ground?
Should we go anyway?
Yes, we've managed to get this far. We'll be fine. Just stay close.
Kış, kış.
What's that stuff on the walls?
Блядь, увидел.
I don't know.
Чё за...
They did that.
You think so?
Yes, we're in their nest.
So they're going to be even more angry?
Блядь, увидел, бычек. Чё за...
Amnesia, you mustn't touch the walls.
Yeah.
Крысиное логово Галипула. Уйли апартаментtan баразырды.
Over there, light. We're there, Hugo. Run, Hugo, run!
Ебать, бей!
We did it. We did it. We did it.
Amnesia, I want to see Mommy.
Toch te zijn?
I don't want her to be dead.
Hugo.
I want her to come back.
Приключения Гензель и Грета. Индия. Воздаяние. Глава 4. Ученик.
Amnesia.
Йоу, здорово, Игорь. Здорово.
To go back home?
No. It's too
Это
dangerous.
слишком
Are there
опасно.
rats there too?
Maybe.
Там тоже крысы, наверное,
I
я не
don't
знаю,
know,
сколько.
Hugo.
I'm scared.
Я боюсь, что
find
они
us when
найдут
we
нас,
get stuck.
когда
Be
стемнеет.
safe with Laurentius. Come on.
Лаврентий позаботится о нас.
Up there. A windmill.
Is that Laurentius's farm?
I hope so.
I've never seen a real windmill.
we're careful, you'll be seeing one very soon.
Чё за уню? Благой Телдер. Короче, эпидемия туохтуна. Тут и.
Amicia, look. It's one
Well,
of the men that attacked the house.
The Inquisition.
чума туна.
Do that. They're only fucking animals.
Do I look like a rat? How should I know?
Well, I say we'll never get rid of these nests using stupid lime.
Whatever happens, we have to get out of here before the sun goes down.
What is it?
О,
What was that? Let's check it out.
фу. Ну-ка. Это тупой оский он. Steam бар, да, ага. Бесплатная вот так. Красоты. Короче. Так, сколько она стоила? Страница в магазине. В магазине. Вы 1500, мен скидка кылбыдым. Тыгынча 499 рубль.
Nothing.
Показалось? Да, тебе показалось. Угу.
Did you hear something? Let's go see.
Don't be caught off guard.
Блядь, тебе нахрен турнасти. Да ну нахуй. Смотри, хорошенько посмотри.
Nothing here. Everyone calm down.
Ничего интересного. Отбой. Ой, бой. Куда я теперь?
What? Something moved, I think. Don't move. It will be over soon.
Алло! О, бляха, куда? Кыска-то сигнал сюда. Ай, бля, лаву победер. Иди хатланс пипите воста.
I did hear something over there. Something going on again. Let's go have a look.
Здесь.
Amicia, look. There's a bridge that leads to the farm.
Should have found something.
What a waste of time. The Grand Inquisitor should just tell us what he really wants from us. That noise. What was it?
Давай.
That should do it. With that and the second barricade, no one will ever get through.
I'm going to the bridge. The castle
Nothing
is
at
the
all.
other barricades.
We are trapped.
There's a hole in the wall.
I'm too big. You'll have to go in and open the window for me.
But they'll see me.
I'll keep him busy. Trust me.
Better go see what it was.
Come on.
I'm going.
Yeah, nothing to report. What was that? Guards!
No! No, сука! Пошел! Пиздец ты. И он тетагыз сылжып кыпты. Беме был диалог бупотон танташи гына не битет. Дем бупотон та сидян бупты. Ну, абе мен hala yapmadım конкретно. Canlarım başlardan yapalım.
There's a hole in the wall.
I'm too big. You'll have to go in and open the window.
Hı. Ey onu ıda yıktı plakar.
What's all the noise?
Go.
Come on.
I'm going.
Well, it was nothing.
Yes. Now it's my turn.
Еще раз.
Second time.
Сукин тайм.
Well done.
Amicia, we have to get out of here.
Nothing. Nothing at all.
Nothing.
Alright, let's forget it. What's all the racket?
Что-то сломалось.
Oh no. They blocked off the farm.
Tell Lord Nicholas that the road is blocked. Any person or vehicle that wants to get through is to be stopped and searched.
And what are we looking for exactly?
A 5-year-old kid. Hugo de Rune. Brown hair, blue eyes.
Are they talking about me?
Lord Nicholas wants him alive.
Shh. Usual. Captain of the Purple Guard wanting them alive?
Very important, I was told. Lord Nicholas has his orders direct from the Grand Inquisitor himself. So keep your eyes peeled.
Careful, there's a garden there.
Yes.
What is that?
Так, когда разжидают эти? Bakın köksüden kanya bir yemek gaz alıp nazlı fondu. Понял. Сейчас пойдем. Пошли, пошли. Тихо, тихо, тихо, тихо. Давай. Оступат. Изи. Нет, нет, нет. Умнаюсь. Забудь про нас. Nothing.
Nothing to report.
Over there.
Careful how you land.
All right, not a sound.
Oh.
So, it was a false alarm.
Amicia,
What?
what did I do? Why are they looking for me?
You didn't do anything. They're the ones who did something.
If they catch us, will they hurt us?
They are not going to catch us, all right?
All right.
Mhm.
Hugo? Hugo? Where are you? Oh, Hugo, it's not funny.
Ooh,
Hugo,
did I scare you?
the Inquisition is here, Hugo. Do you want them to take you away? Don't ever do that again.
All right.
They're here.
He'll save us. But he needs Lord Nicholas and us too. We all have to mock him. That's why we signed up.
True enough.
Have no doubt, brother.
Угу. Блядь. Ой, бой, здорово. Ой, бой.
Oh, they're everywhere.
Иди проверь, что там.
I can't see what it is.
Забудь.
Hey,
О,
what's that then?
тоже забудьте. Что за игра? Плагуэтел называется. Типа про этого, про эпидемию, короче, чума. Блин.
Oh, they're everywhere.
That's an odd sound. Nothing here.
What? Well,
Забыл, да?
Hey, I saw one of ours along the trail earlier. Dead as a doornail. Shouldn't we bury him?
Had he been bitten?
Yeah.
Did you touch him?
Nah.
Good. Because when a rat bites you, it poisons your blood. You get boils all over, and everyone around you can get it and die too. That's why it's called the bite.
Well then. Think we'll just leave him where he is. I'm not crazy. I heard something.
What? Hey, look out! There's someone here!
Так, сложновато что-то становится, да? Ну никак. С этой стороны никак. Пойдем другим путем.
That noise? I think it came from over there. Nothing. I need to calm down. When are they going to call us back to camp? All right. Shit, it's nearly dark.
Nothing at all.
What the hell was that?
Я про этого не подумал, сука. Давай быстрей.
But I was sure. Well. Hey, there it is again. Wait a minute.
Угу. Чё, блядь, не услышал, что ли? Давай, давай, уходи. Брух.
So they can't see us anymore.
No, they can't. I'll give you a hand.
Yes.
Дровяш. Вебка нету.
Fall back. What's happening?
Что за? Что за?
Hugo, we can't stop.
О, бля,
Not here.
имею
I
синдром.
feel funny.
Come on. You'll be able to rest when we get to Laurentius's place.
My head. It hurts.
I don't know what to do, Hugo. What would Mommy do?
Give me medicine.
I can carry you. That's the best I can do. Come on, climb up.
Mommy says I shouldn't leave the house, you know.
I know.
That must be why I feel all funny.
You're just tired.
I miss her.
At least you were allowed to see her.
Huh?
Nothing. Laurentius's mill. We're nearly there.
Will he shove me inside again? Like Mommy.
Ну, почти в жестко рахпату уже.
Alright. It's true, it's dangerous out here. But sometimes it's fun too.
You'll get better one day.
Are those dead animals?
What on earth happened here?
Блин.
We're going to have to be careful now. You better get down, Hugo.
It's getting in my shoes.
Ugh. I don't believe it.
О, бля. Бежим, бежим, бля, кин соқты ана. Франция эпидемиядан туғанында, аха.
We'll be alright if we stay away from them. We have to get out of here.
Mommy's here. There's some fire up there.
Let's go. Quickly, hurry. Come on, faster. Come, I'll get you up.
Yes.
That was close. That mud again. We'll never get through.
Фу, бля.
Good Lord.
Фу, зараза.
Are they really all dead?
They've been slaughtered. By the Inquisition, probably.
I'm going to be sick.
Блядь, имеет крысу, хайбална.
Let's go.
Yes.
Куда? Думаю, тест мне.
Come on. Here we go again.
Ай, фу. Отвалить нахуй. Давай, быстрее, быстрее. Ау. Угу. Сыга var думаю, бля. Ну, спрятан это. И где еще палки? Машина сама. Машину.
Come on, nearly there.
Amnesia, why did they kill the pigs?
Maybe to contain the rats here.
It's very, very heavy. I
Don't talk.
İki trebuşetinden bakında. Hadi orta trebuşeti. Duyuyor.
We did it. We made it.
Ne diyorsun?
Shh, Hugo.
But
What if it's not Laurentius? Huh? Did you think of that?
sorry.
Locked. We have to get in somehow.
Нужно попасть. Я по-русски ведь были бравар орудия десант. Ага.
Hello there.
Oh, you're still
Not a
alive.
night to stay
I'm
outside.
sorry about your friends.
Так.
It's locked, Hugo. You go in there and open the door for me quickly. And be very careful,
Открой,
right?
открой дверь. Yes.
Good.
It smells funny.
It's alcohol from the stills.
Someone's there.
Let's go and see.
मेरे पीछे का भी पता है. Судя по этим ванных рисунок королевства. Көрсәнәһә. Балларда.
Who are you? Magister Laurentius. Stop right there. He's contagious.
Hugo.
The Inquisition came. We lost everything. There was nothing I could do.
Of course. They came for him. An evil. An ancient evil courses through your family's veins. In its blood. Your mother and I attempted to slow its progress. But ever since the Great Break, the process has quickened. You must protect him, Amиция. Continue your mother's work.
Me? But how? My parents tried and now they are both dead. Leave me alone.
They're here.
Hep bizim kırsalar geldiler.
But disorganized. The Inquisition, however, they seek the boy tirelessly. We have to disappear. Head to the Chateau d'Ombrage. Lucas, go to the barn. You will finish the ignifer.
Don't try to talk. I will prove myself. I'm sorry about your parents, but you're not alone anymore. We have to move fast. You can help me make the ignifer. It will protect us from the rats.
Come, Hugo. I don't want you to stay here.
The stuff is in the barn. Come on. They've managed to get in. I'll find a way to keep them busy. Oh, the hands.
Epidim.
Good idea.
Onu
But they're frightened.
körümün epidim. Onu
It's
tühelik
all
tarafından
right.
anlatayım.
Do it.
Aha iyi.
There. Sorry.
Aa.
Don't worry.
That's it. Hugo, give me your hand.
No.
Very well.
O da.
Stay close to me.
Are you two okay?
It's been a long trip. Those bags look heavy. Rotten grain. Must be to feed the pig.
O da ne kaldı?
Oh no. They've come back.
They're everywhere.
We have to reach the back of the barn. We can't leave without the ignifer. How are we going to do it?
Oo. Ayakta. Aa, kara. Мне нужны камешки.
We need meat. Dead or alive.
Come on.
We can use this.
I see. Let me help you.
Are you going to feed him?
You could say that.
Yes, dinner time, Piggy. Yum yum.
Сейчас свинку будет, ням-ням. Коска надо, дохуя коска против крыс.
That's it.
Make sure you chew properly, or you'll get stomachache.
We have to make sure it stays.
Историяга, если не ошибаюсь, коскалары барларын маташ битер абатта. Кини носитель был лахтендер. Дез дохуя косканы маташ. А, куда? Сюда! Нахуй потану. Кабиттагар жабы кемнери битти. Бихи бойсы жыйга олорубут. Ну.
The stuff is in the barn. Come on. Oh no. They've managed to get in.
Find a way to keep them busy.
Oh, the hands. Good idea.
Ah, but they're frightened of the light.
The lantern. It's
Oh.
all right. Do it.
О, бля.
There. Sorry. Don't worry.
That's it. Hugo, give me your hand.
No.
Very well, but stay close to me.
Are you two okay?
It's been a long trip.
Oh no. They've come back.
They're everywhere.
We have to reach the back of the barn. We can't leave without the ignifer. How are we going to do it? We need meat. Dead or alive.
We can use this.
I see. Let me help you.
Are we going to feed him?
You could say that.
Yes, dinner time, Piggy. Yum yum.
That's it.
Make sure you chew properly, or you'll get stomach
О,
ache.
бля, жуйди, хуй нахуй.
I'll close the door.
Надо закрыть дверь. Угу.
There's a ladder down the side. Come on.
Let's go. Hugo. Hugo, listen. You can sulk if you like, but stay close. Climb up.
The lights.
Yes. Hugo, look away, please.
Why? No, Amicia, what are you doing?
I'm sorry, Hugo. We have no choice, Hugo. We have to get the rats away. I'll go first.
It's horrible. You're just like all the others.
Hugo, there was no other way.
Come on. Over here.
Poor pig.
Бедный поросенок.
Step.
This is more than just a doctor's lab.
My master is also an Apopod, a great alchemist. Your name is Amicia, right? I'm Lucas. I would like to show you something, but it requires alcohol and sulfur. There must be some around here. Tell me when you found them.
All right. Alcohol and sulfur. Alcohol, sulfur, that's everything.
What are you doing?
An alchemical blend. I'm dissolving the reagents.
Так.
Oh, it's just alchemy.
Looks like they spent quite a
Lucas,
bit of time
Why
here.
am I not ill like Laurentius?
He was bitten by a rat. You weren't.
And is he going to die?
I'll do everything to make sure that
Demons.
doesn't happen.
This oven, it must be what they call an athanor. Leviter extractum sic, Latin. Here you go, Lucas.
Right. Now you have to mix them. Do it slowly, it's not dangerous.
All right. So, this is it.
Rats!
Oh no! No! We're stuck!
Not yet. The ignifer, Amicia. It's time. Aim for the embers at the center of the room.
All right.
А? Ну, угли. А.
Whoa!
Oh, it makes fire.
Did I do that? Did I really just do alchemy?
Yes. Your mixture is perfect. Like mother, like daughter. You know what? I'll show you how to create other projectiles. It will be really useful.
I'd love to. Thank you.
I finished my mixes. We have to go back to Laurentius. Amicia, you should go ahead.
Rats! Get back!
The ignifer! Throw it on the embers!
Please don't blow up in my face.
You go first.
You go fast.
There's a lot of them.
Laurentius!
I'll clear a way. Follow me.
Yes, of course.
Come on.
Leave me alone.
Hugo, listen.
Оставь меня.
About
Как
earlier,
его куту выдерся.
I just wanted to tell you that
Блигар опана беременна.
No! Amicia! No!
Lucas, wait!
It's sitting down! Look out!
Do something! We have to leave. Now!
Master!
Hey! Stop! We need you!
Look, the horse.
Time to go! Hugo! Lucas! Run! We need that horse!
They're everywhere.
Lucas! I'm here! Where does this trail lead to? Lucas! Where's this taking us?
Near to the river!
We're surrounded.
Ah, which way? Where now?
There! There's a boat over there, just past the mill.
So let's go!
Amicia, the windmill is almost on fire.
What? Lucas! This way!
Эй, ждем. Бежим, бежим, бежим. Бежим, бежим. No, беги. Ученик. Достижение получено. Падаль. Щик. Падальщик, падальщик. Падальщик. Жестко интересная игра, жестко затягивает. Так, дорогие друзья, на сегодня все. Время уже 2 часа, почти 2 часа утра. Мне завтра на работу. Завтра тоже в это время будем играть. Будем проходить дальше. Оказывается, жестко интересная игра. Я думал, буду сегодня играть несколько игр. Но, увы, было не убедительно. Страдает жестко. Там, всем пока. Всем, кто смотрел, кто ставил лайки, махтал. Давай, Пупин, катат. Давай, дрын, пока, дрын. Я спать. А спать, завтра работа.